A security breach took place in London involving Khalistani extremists who attempted to attack India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. This incident highlights the growing presence and activism of Khalistani groups globally, particularly in Canada and the UK. Hello, I'm Gunjan Handa and this is Chronicle Reports. During Jaishankar's visit to the UK, a group of pro-Khalistan protesters gathered outside Chatham House in London, where Jaishankar was participating in a discussion. A man attempted to breach security by running towards Jaishankar's car and tearing the Indian national flag in front of police officers. The incident has been widely condemned by India, with the Ministry of External Affairs calling on the UK to fulfill its diplomatic obligations to prevent such incidents. The centre also has strongly condemned the breach, denouncing the activists of a quote, small group of separatists and extremists. This is not an isolated incident. The Khalistani movement has been constantly present, particularly in Canada. Over the past few years, there have been several notable incidents involving Khalistani groups in Canada and the UK. In September 2019, the Indian mission in Canada was attacked by Khalistani elements from the Pakistani diaspora. In March 2023, there was an attack on the Indian High Commission in London. In October 2023, the Indian High Commissioner was blocked from entering a Gurudwara in Canada, and in Jan 2025, Khalistani groups disrupted the screening of a film in London. These incidents reflect a broader trend of increased activism by Khalistani groups, which have been using protests and disruptions to draw attention to their cause. The Indian government has consistently raised concerns with the UK and Canada about these activities, emphasizing the need for a stronger measure to prevent such incidents. As tensions rise, India is urging host nations to take more effective actions against these groups. Stay with the Asian Chronicle for more global coverage.